kindergartners, welcome to Play-Doh with Yaya, and today we'll be making a tiger. So the first step is to grab two colors of clay. I'm going to be choosing orange and purple. So we're going to be making the face first, the head. So you're going to want to get some clay and roll it into a ball. Like that. And now we're going to be getting some more clay, and it's going to be a little bit smaller, and this is going to be the body. Now we're going to be wanting to roll half of it so that it can make the body shape, kind of like a triangle. And we want to flatten it a little bit, just like that. Now we're going to want to get 4 small pieces of clay to be the arms and the legs. And we're going to roll all of those into a ball. Just like that. Okay. Now we want to get some more clay, and this is going to be the tail. So we're going to roll this into a ball, and then we're going to roll it to make a longer tail shape. And then you want to pinch one end of it, like this. Now we're going to make the ears. And so I want the ears to be purple, so I'm going to get some of this clay out. And we're going to make 2 small circles so it can be the ear. Now we're going to get more of the clay, and we're going to pinch some and make another circle. And this is going to be the stomach. And then we're going to flatten this one out and put it on the tummy. Now we're going to attach the head and the feet and the little arms. Now we're going to attach the ears. And now we're going to add the stripes. So you're going to want to get some clay, roll it into a ball, and then we're going to roll it on your table. And make sure that it's really, really thin so we can have some nice thin stripes. And now we're going to put the stripes on the tail. So we're going to want to put 3 stripes, and then you can just break it off like that after you make a stripe. Just like that. And then we're going to put the tail on. And this tiger is going to be laying down. And then we want to make some little stripes for the head. And you can make them big stripes or little stripes, however you want. I'm going to do little stripes for the head. Just like that. Now I'm going to make the eyes. So I'm going to use the purple clay for the eyes too. I'm going to take 2 small pieces. I'm going to roll them just like that and put them on. And there we have our little tiger. If you want, you guys can also add stripes to the back. And also, instead of this little circle on the tummy, you can also put stripes here, like this. It's all up to you guys. Just like that.
How big are tigers? The largest of the tigers, the Siberian tiger, can grow to around 10 feet long and weigh over 400 pounds. Where do tigers live? Today, tigers live in various parts of Asia, including countries such as India, Burma, Russia, China, Thailand, and Indonesia. They live in different types of habitats, from the tropical rainforest to different kinds of swamps. They like to live near water, where there is lots of prey, and also in areas with vegetation where their stripes will work as camouflage. What do tigers eat? Tigers are carnivores. That means they eat meat and will eat most any animal it can catch. This includes some larger mammals such as water buffalo, deer, or wild boar. Tigers are excellent swimmers and enjoy swimming and cooling off on a hot day. They live for 15 to 20 years in the wild. The mother hunts and feeds her baby cubs until they are around 2 years old. Each tiger has a unique set of stripes.
Thank you guys for watching this episode of Play-Doh with Yaya. Next time we'll be making a bumblebee. Thank you.